Welcome to my CreditStrong review. Today, we'll explore everything this platform has to offer. CreditStrong is a credit builder loan service designed to help users boost their credit scores. Whether you're just starting to build credit or working to improve your score, CreditStrong could be a solid option for you. When you first land on CreditStrong's website, you're greeted with a straightforward design. The user interface is clean, which makes it easy to navigate even if you're not familiar with credit building tools. The site clearly explains how their credit building loans work, which is one of the key features that sets it apart from other services. CreditStrong offers several different credit builder plans, each designed to suit various financial needs. From small monthly payments to larger ones, you can choose the plan that fits your budget. This flexibility makes it appealing to a wide range of users. One of the standout features of CreditStrong is its dual approach to credit building. The first part is a credit builder loan that you pay over time. This loan is reported to the major credit bureaus, which means your on-time payments can help boost your credit score. The second part involves the ability to open a savings account with CreditStrong, which holds the loan amount you're paying off. So, while you're improving your credit score, you're also saving money at the same time. This is a feature many other credit building services lack, making CreditStrong a more well-rounded option. Setting up an account is a breeze. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, address, and social security number. Once your account is set up, you can select a plan and start making payments. The site also provides helpful tools and resources to guide you through the process. It's important to note that CreditStrong doesn't require a credit check to sign up, so it's a great option for those with little or no credit history. CreditStrong also provides great customer support. I had a few questions when I first signed up, and their support team was responsive and helpful. They offer email support, and there's an extensive FAQ section on the website where you can find answers to common questions. The credit builder process can take time, but CreditStrong makes it easy to track your progress. Once you completed your payments, the loan amount is refunded to you, along with interest earned on your savings account. This makes it not only a way to improve your credit, but also an opportunity to grow your savings. Now, let's talk about fees. CreditStrong is transparent about its fees, and they're generally low compared to some other credit building services. The cost of each plan varies, but it's important to note that there are no hidden fees. You'll pay a set monthly fee, and that's it.as for the impact on your credit score. I've seen a noticeable improvement in my own score after using CreditStrong for a few months. Of course, results may vary depending on your current credit situation, but if you're consistent with your payments, you should see positive changes over time. Overall, CreditStrong is an excellent option for anyone looking to improve their credit score. Its flexible plans, dual credit building features, and great customer service make it one of the best tools available. If you're serious about boosting your credit score and saving money at the same time, CreditStrong is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more in-depth reviews on other financial tools, so make sure you stay tuned.